Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act immediately. Stop writing to the laptop to prevent overwrites. First, prepare an external drive that has at least the same free space as the original disk. Next, on a separate computer, download a reliable recovery tool ISO or portable app and verify its integrity. Once done, create a bootable USB or place the portable app on the external drive. Make sure to power the laptop from AC and note the exact model for driver awareness. Boot the laptop from your rescue USB or launch the portable recovery app from the attached drive. Choose a deep sector-level scan to find deleted partitions and orphaned files. This takes time but increases recovery odds. As the scan runs, filter results by file type and date to prioritize important documents and photos. When you recover, always save files to the external drive, never to the laptop's internal disk, because writing back risks overwrite. Once recovery finishes, check files immediately by opening a representative sample and, if possible, comparing checksums to originals. If critical data is still missing, pause and run a different recovery tool or contact a professional service before further changes. Make sure you restore the operating system or reset settings only after confirming all required files are backed up on the external drive. If scans fail repeatedly, avoid further DIY steps. Professional imaging can prevent permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.